Good morning, students. Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you all are safe at your home and utilizing your time in studies. In the last video, we studied about the agricultural practices. In that, we studied about two steps. First was plowing, and second was sowing. In sowing, actually sowing seeds is actually this method is divided into two parts: broadcasting and transplanting. In that, from broadcast method we have studied about two types of sowing methods. First was the traditional method, which was using a funnel like structure, and second was the seed drill, which is attached to the tractor. The another method of broadcasting is that we can even sow the seeds with the help of our hands. Now the another method of sowing is transplanting. What do you mean by transplanting? Transplanting means fixing something from one place to another place, or taking something from one place to another place. So here the plants are shifted from nursery to the farmland. How it is done? The seeds are actually germinated in the nurseries. When the seeds gets germinated, these small healthy seedlings, that means only the healthy seedlings are transplanted to the main farms, like this, with the help of the hands, and the single seedling is transplanted. It means that if any seedling is unhealthy, then it is not transplanted, only the healthy seedlings are transplanted. Because of this, the overcrowding, while sowing, overcrowding of the seedlings does not occur in the mainland, and only the crop which is fully grown is available. So these are the advantages of transplanting methods. Now in this video we will study about the third method, that is adding manure. So let us start with the third method, that is adding manure. Adding manure. Crop need nutrients. They obtain these nutrients from the soil. If we grow crop on the same land again and again, then the nutrients present in the soil decreases. This will lead to the reduction in crop production. So as to replenish these nutrients, we can leave the land uncultivated for the certain period of time, and the nutrients present in the soil will get replenished. Another method of replenishing the nutrients in the soil is adding manure. Manure is an organic substance obtained by the decomposition of plants and animal waste like cow dung. These substances are kept in the pit dug in the open fields, where microbes decompose this material into the organic manure. The method of adding organic manure in the field is known as manuring. Improper addition of manure to the soil can lead to the improper growth of the plants. The another method of replenishing the soil with the nutrients is adding fertilizers. Fertilizers are the chemical substances which are manufactured in the industries. These fertilizers are rich in the specific nutrients which enrich the soil with these nutrients. These nutrients are NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Some other fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, and potash. We can add fertilizers to the soil by two methods. First, by spraying, and second, by irrigation. Use of fertilizers in the production of wheat, paddy, and maize has shown the significant increase in the crop production. However, the excessive use of fertilizers can make the soil acidic, which will cause less fertile, which will cause the soil less fertile. Also, the fertilizers cause water pollution by getting released from the factories into the rivers and by mixing into the rainwater into the streams. Although the fertilizers are rich into the specific nutrients, we should encourage the more and more use of organic manure because these organic manures have certain advantages over fertilizers. These advantages are it provides lot of humus to the soil. It enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It loosens the soil so that roots can breathe easily. It increases useful microbes in the soil. And last, it improves soil texture. So, we should prefer the use of organic manure over fertilizers. Another method of replenishing the soil with the nutrients is using crop rotation. The crop rotation is a method of growing different crops on the same land simultaneously, one after another. Earlier in the North India, especially the farmers of North India used to grow the leguminous plants in one season and cereal plants in another season simultaneously. This helps in, in the replenishing of nitrogen in the soil. So, this method is very efficient, and we should encourage the farmers to use these methods more and more. I hope you are clear with this topic, that is adding manure. In next video we will learn about irrigation. Thank you.